Good morning, lovelies. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. I'm so excited for the weekend. Oh, my eyes are watering already. Seriously, I tell you what. Is anyone else excited for the weekend? Any big plans? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to the lake this weekend. Oh, how I missed you. It's only been a week. I had a bachelorette party last weekend, but it feels like a year. I love the lake so much. And it's getting colder. Like, I hope it warms up again because I'm not ready for fall yet. Just side note. Okay, so no makeup tutorial today. I just wanted to kind of explain what I did. But first, the August giveaway. So any video I share, clothing videos, makeup videos, quick, hoo-hoo videos, whatever, share them, comment shared, and I'll enter you into the drawing. Sorry, there was just like a flying fuzz. Welcome to me. I'll enter you into the drawing for the August giveaway. So seriously, just like and share the video and then comment share so I know it was you. This month's giveaway is for the Extra Lash in Black. This is my go-to. And then the eyebrow and lash serum, which will help grow your eyelashes, make them fuller, as well as your brows. I tried a lot of these products. This one works. And it's for free. And if it's full price, it's like $24.90, I think, full price. Hello, but anyway, you can win this for free. And the third thing in the giveaway is a $25 gift card to BettyJaneBoutique.com. Get all those cute fashions you've been wanting. So yeah, so with this today's look, I honestly did. I planned to go like super simple, like an everyday kind of quick look using the Vintage Season palette. And then I found inspiration. I went extra zhuzhy. So this color up here is the Vintage Season palette, that dark color. No, that's not it. Too many palettes, y'all. This one. Okay, so that's that dark color, and I created kind of like a defined V, and then I softened up the outer corners with the lighter color just a bit, just soften that up. Then this brighter color in here, I took the highlighter palette, because you can also use these as eyeshadows, and I used that yellow just to brighten up that inner corner. And then instead of doing just black like I planned on, I grabbed the metallic sapphire express kohl pencil and did like a wingy dingy and like a super zhuzhy down here on my waterline and everything. And then because I wasn't done being a zhuzh, I grabbed the gold metallic liquid liner and did that just above where I'd done the blue wing. And then, because I wasn't done, I grabbed the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette, and they had this, I was like, please have a gold glitter. Ask and ye shall receive. I grabbed this gold glitter. It's called Flirt Alert. So yeah. So anywho, I just wanted to jump on and share my makeup. Oh, and then I did Brave matte liquid lip and put just a little bit of that yellow highlighter in the center for some dimension. Just a soft pink blush, and I did all my contouring and everything. But yeah, didn't have time for a video because I did not want to get out of bed because I was up until the crack of dawn because I can't sleep. So anywho, I hope you all have a wonderful Friday. Remember, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Talk positive if you need to yourself, like you're amazing, you're bold, you're wonderful, you are worthy, you are here for a reason, whether you know it or not. Keep going. If you need some positive vibes, send me a private message. I'm for real about that. I will give you all the loves and positivity, okay? So have a wonderful Friday. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and we'll see you next time. Bye.